Okay, so here we are in the profile page. Let's add another component that we might want to navigate from here. A component that can list several elements, several objects that we could then perhaps want to navigate to the details page of each one of those objects. So first, let's focus on creating a list of objects, navigating from the profile. All right, so let's do that. Let's see. Let's see, what do we have here so far? We had created the various components to navigate from the home, from the login to the profile, and from the profile, let's add a button that will allow us to navigate to a list of things, of objects. Right? For your assignment, perhaps it could be the list of all the quizzes that you have authored as a faculty. Or if you're a student, it would be the list of all quizzes that you've submitted. Okay? Here, I'm going to build something else. I'm going to build a list of applications. So say I'm a developer. This might be a list of the applications that I'm working on. Maybe this is an IDE that it's a phone-based IDE that you can build applications right on your phone. So let's do that. Let's create here a component where we can list a number of applications. So this would be an application list. Right, and this might, so let's create a simple placeholder right now. So this would be import React from React. And here import, maybe we'll need a view from React Native. Maybe we'll need a button and maybe a text from React Native Elements. And let's implement it as a class for now. So this will be a class application list that extends component. And let's import component right here. And this will have a constructor that has properties. And we'll initialize the properties. There we go. And then in the render, for now, we'll just return a text just to know that we're here. So this is application list or applications. And maybe we'll create a static list of see what it would look like. Right. So here I'm going to load also a list and a list item. And let's create a list of applications. So this is a list. And we have a list item with a title. So I've built all these applications. I built tic-tac-toe. I've built maybe chess. And I've built maybe Space Invaders. Right, so there's a list of applications. And so we would like to navigate to this list of applications from the current profile page. So I'm at the profile page. I'm a developer. And I like to see all the applications that I've built so far. So let's create a button here that will allow us to navigate to that application list. So let's do that. Let's go back to the root application, and we'll add to the stack navigator, we'll add our brand new page, that component that we just built. So let's load that. Let's import it. We'll say import application list from components application list. There we go. And here we'll just configure it like any other component. So this will be application list. And as a title, it'll be just applications. Okay? All right, so now we're ready to navigate to it and we want to navigate from the profile page. So from the profile page or profile component, let's create a button that will allow us to navigate there, right? So maybe we'll have a button. We'll need to import the button here. And we'll say that The title here is that I want to navigate to my applications. And if we click on it, we would like to navigate. Let's see, from the profiles, let's use the navigation property that is being passed on to us. We'll say this, navigation, and this is if we click on it. I would say navigation.navigate where? To application list. Application list. Very good. Okay, so I think we're ready to try it out. Something wrong here. Components, only been an empty expression. Attributes, let's see. What is it not happy about? Button, on press, title, application. We have view. What about application lists? Probably here I probably forgot also to export this, so export default. The return here, I think it's right. It's still complaining. Let me see. Okay, there we go. Login. If I log in with the profile, we have the applications button. We click on the applications button, and it's not happy. Undefined is not an object. On press. So on the, let's see, the application lists, do we have something? It's red. What doesn't it like here? Component, extends component. Default class constructor, we have that. Render, return the view. We have text in there. List item is right. What about the profile? Is the profile okay? This dot, oh, okay, so this, I don't need the this here, right? Navigation, let's try it again. Okay, there we go. So we were able to navigate to the list of applications. All right. Now this list of applications is hard-coded. Ideally, we would retrieve this from maybe from a Node.js server, reading it from some database. So let's set up something quick that we can use as a demo, as a test for this. Okay.